Have you ever wondered why airplanes fly so high, nearly 10 kilometers above the ground? In this video, we're uncovering the high-altitude secrets of flight, and we'll also tackle a surprising question: why aren't airplane doors securely locked? After all, they're operated by a simple lever mechanism that, in theory, any passenger could unlock. So let's begin with the first question. Why do planes fly so high? Is it to avoid birds? Or maybe terrorist attacks? Not really. While that might be an added advantage, it's not the main reason. The real reason airplanes fly at such high altitudes is because the air is much thinner up there compared to lower altitudes. And thinner air means much less drag acting on the airplane. In fact, at 10 kilometers high, the air density is only about 1/3 of what it is at sea level. We calculate drag using the formula. Here, the drag force is directly proportional to the air density, rho. So when a plane flies at high altitude, the drag is significantly reduced, about 1/3 of what it would be at sea level. This reduction in drag means the engines use less fuel, saving both energy and money. There's another bonus too. Flying higher means less turbulence, which results in a much smoother ride. But conditions at that altitude are extreme. Outside the aircraft, temperatures drop to around -50 degrees Celsius, and the air pressure? It's only about 25 kilopascals, which is just a quarter of what we experience at sea level. That's far too low for humans to breathe. To keep passengers comfortable, the cabin must be heated and pressurized. Airplanes do this using something called bleed air, hot, compressed air taken from the engines. This keeps the cabin warm and breathable. Cabin pressure is usually maintained at around 77 kilopascals, which is safe and comfortable for most people. And now, back to the door opening fear. Here's why you don't have to worry. Airplane doors aren't locked in the way you might think. A simple lever mechanism is enough. That's because the door is designed to open inward first before swinging out. But at cruising altitude, the pressure difference between the inside and outside is so extreme that it's physically impossible for a human to open the door. The higher pressure inside pushes the door outward with massive force. Since you'd need to pull the door inward to open it, and the pressure outside is 1/3 of the inside, it's simply not doable. So no, you can't open the door mid-flight. The laws of physics won't allow it. And if you've ever wondered why airplane food tastes so bland, here's the truth. It's not the food, it's the air. Inside the cabin, humidity drops to just 5%, even drier than the Sahara Desert. This dry air dulls your sense of smell and taste, making food seem flavorless no matter how well it's prepared. So next time you're flying, just remember, you're cruising through a freezing, airless desert inside a pressurized metal tube 10 kilometers above the Earth.